This is what Iloilo City looks like. It's clean, it's safe, and there's no traffic. It won the Cleanest City in Asia award. But how did the Ilonggo people do it? It is known as the heart of the Philippines. It is alive with happy people, beautiful destinations, and colorful festivals. Welcome to Iloilo City! In 2019, this city won the Clean Tourist City Award from ASEAN. It is one of the 3 Philippine cities that won the award. The award is valid for 3 years, from 2020 to 2022. The other 2 cities that won are Baguio City in Benguet and San Carlos City in Negros Occidental. But cleaning the city is not a one-man job. Kabudlay ba na nahimuon? The Ilonggos came together to make this possible. Cleaners swept the streets every day. Gardeners planted beautiful trees and flowers. Engineers created good roads so that nobody could get stuck in traffic. The police made Iloilo City safer for tourists and locals. Today, you and I can enjoy the beauty of the city. It is home to beautiful buildings from the Spanish period, like the Aduana de Iloilo and the Mansion de Lopez. They also have beautiful parks like the Plaza Libertad and Iloilo River Esplanade, the longest linear park in the Philippines. Iloilo City is also famous for its festivals, like the Dinagyang Festival and the Parao Regatta. Hindi pagkalimtan, basta Ilongga guwapa. So after this, ano naman ay hanang sunod for Iloilo City? Like the Emirates, it wants to be a smart city. Iloilo City has free public Wi-Fi, CCTV cameras in all barangays, and places where you can charge your gadgets. It is also becoming more sustainable. Establishments use recycled packaging and plastic straws are banned from the city. All of this means that like the Emirates, the Philippines can also build a city that is ready for the future. Iloilo City really deserves the title Heart of the Philippines. It is healthy, clean, and pure, with great festivals, food, people, and attractions. What are you waiting for? Dali na! Ano pa ginakulat nyo? Kanto na kita sa Iloilo City! Thank you for watching our video. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang feature story natin ngayong araw na ito. We are the Love Company and we love to make videos that showcase the beautiful relationship between the people of the Philippines and the Emirates. For more inspiring videos, do follow us at Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok account, The Emirates Loves Philippines.